This is an unboxing of the mid-torque half-inch compact. This is the DCF891. I was going to unbox these 5 amp hour battery pack, but I'm not going to do that anymore. I'm just going to return it because I did get this half-inch impact in a kit. So this is the DCF891P2, meaning it comes with these 2 5 amp hour batteries and a charger. So I'm not going to be needing these ones anymore. But just if you're curious, this is what it looks like. This is the DCB205-2. So you get 2 5 amp hour batteries. One nice thing I like is that they come with a little date stamp to show you, I guess, when they were manufactured. All right, let's take a look at the impact wrench. I think it comes with a bag. Big made in the USA sticker. Interestingly, the other impact wrench or the drill set didn't come with that. Pocket hanger. DEWALT manuals. Battery charger. DCB115. Looks like it's the same one that I got with the drill and compact driver set. So I'm gonna have two chargers. That's pretty nice. Here's the 2 5 amp hour batteries. And there's the impact wrench. Anything else in here? No. I was curious because on the DEWALT website, this kit comes with a rubber protective boot for this impact if you buy this kit, but maybe we don't get that here in Canada. So there's a little tag here, DCF891 and 892. 891 indicates this is the hog ring end, and then the 892 has a detent pin for the half-inch. Nice bit of kit.